so I've got to be really careful. And that's
Alright, what's up guys? It's Archer Turbo here from the internet. Now today we're removing the gears from a Triumph Rocket 3 crankshaft. So we already have the main gear off, which I failed to video because I'm an idiot. I should have done that. That was quite cool to watch. So now we're going to do the small gear at the other end. So just for shits and giggles, you're looking at about, you can see that, about 15 degrees or so. 14.9, 15 degrees is our temperature. We're going to use the Map Pro Dominator blowtorch. So we'll roll this guy on. And
a few moments later.
.277 degrees, 201, 209, 245, 250. Oh no, I'm gonna cool it down and try again. Let's say we try that one again, huh? We're done now. Two and a half minutes and she's out. But it took about 10 minutes of heating up to 300 degrees before and letting it cool. Seems like the heat cycling helps with it a little bit. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you remove the gears from a crankshaft in a Rocket 3. So the weight of the crankshaft pulls itself out of the gear. You just need to support the gear on something that's not going to go on fire, like a couple of bricks, as shown here. And that's it. That's the starter gear taken off the Rocket 3 crankshaft.
today, so I've got to be really careful. And